What is the opposite of one night stand?
What?
Opposite of one night stand.
One night stand.
Yes.
And yes.
Define photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis is a photosynthesis is a process where plants and animals make their own food.
What is the difference between kid and a kidney?
A kid is a small baby, and a kidney is a part of a body.
Are you a deceased?
What?
Are you a deceased?
Deceased.
What is a postmortem?
What?
Postmortem.
Yes, postmortem.
Name 2 veins in your body.
Nose and ears.
Come again?
Nose and ears.
Oh, all right. Are you a deceased?
No. What is a deceased?
What is a postmortem? Yeah.
Come again.
What is a postmortem?
I think that postmortem is just a post.
What is a noun?
A noun is a doing word. A noun is a doing word.
Yeah. Oh, all right. What is the pronoun?
I don't know the pronoun by Indonic.
What is a verb?
A verb is a doing word.
All right. What is a noun?
A noun is a place, name of places.
What is a verb?
A verb is someone from Mozambique.
As